Oh. Kumshay. Shari. Man, guys, come in. Alan Chong in the serious girl. Jonga le kaka, ifloatayo. Imbuzane. Ifloata kwikla. Oh, yaxoka iphumile. Kala no ndikhuphe ngerula. Nje mcima zandisilile ndisilele yona. No, baby girl, this mcimbi is not for you. It's not mgidi. For everybody. Kocha is kaka. But it's fine. It will taste great after life. So, oh, let me introduce. Oh, mamela, otherwise, ndine sinus and mind. And the sinus here might discover that uLeon ngobe straight, ngobe sprayer. Idumi yakhe iyanceda pakule sinus and unblocker in nose because at the end of the day andikwazi uyithini kanene and iya-40 laa nto kuthiwa yi-Benelin for flu. So nqoma in fact man-spray idumi because then ayibona iyan-elevate inika laa elevated experience. As a result, at the end of the day, it's the kiss of the South Hop. So ndinayo ne-flu, but it's no problem, it's no biggie. Andizongayiklabhini namhlanje because at the end of the day andizongajive because my sweat will be met by a disco ball. Oh, bendisaya kula introduction. Igama ngumsheshe. Moshe bantwizi, Mshizas. Ndimfake ke la sana nam Mshizas, but at the end of the day nam benqoba ndifuna ulahleka kwesa kula trend ka-Izas because akho mntu ongengo-Izas bazawutshaya emlilweni basezojeziswa abantwana badlala ngengama likaJesus. But it's fine at the end of the day. Kumsheshe, Stuko, Stabi, Ustarisco, Stabandi, Mofana, Apokomato Koyo, Opuzindota Puzumfazi, Yafana Younger Lonto, at the end of the day, Mof Moriko, what's this Stuko Sameso? Because at the end of the day, I don't know what bulletless gun you're holding. Think that you've got a shot against me, but at the end of the day, I can't. No, is that man shocked. Kuba ukheli khumalo uyatwitter izinto ezifani ukheli ubetha abafazi go yazi ngixele my biggest problem with ukheli is that she didn't hit that woman on a highway akhondo mbethe pha kwi M1 South mbethe pha kwi M1 North xa usezo of ramp ngeGristine but umbetha kwi off ramp ubetha umfazi womntu kwi off ramp in fact nge-off ramp naphina la mfazi with dignity nge-off ramp ngeGristine because as Gristine goes to Santin and hey what's at Santin it's way at the end of the day it's the kiss of the South Hop. What do you know about that? Yes, nam ndiyarapha ndifana noThina kaProsper ongakulingi ngixele ngabayana inoba uThina ngotyana waye walk down the aisle ingoma yakhe yayisithi bang bang. You shot me down. I've never seen a couple shoot each other like that and then blame it on a third party which is invisible. And then to claim that no, it was an accident and we are still in love. And so got bought antiseptic, antibiotic couple, but and blame it because at the end of the day, no baba drugged up no bakoyo batakondo and bachaji, love is love, whatever form it comes in. Now Romeo was drug guys and but no slab between Romeo and Juliet. But what I'm trying to say, Tina no Prosper and Ningo Romeo and Juliet. No. You need to stop that. No, sorry, no, so at the end of the day, how disrespectful for you to beat up as a side chick. Kelly, you know what? I love side chicks. I understand side chicks. I've been a side chicks for most of my life, and I've enjoyed the fact that, you know what, it's fun, it's nice, because why? You get more benefits than main chick. I'm sorry, but at the end of the day, it's true. Hello, is it me you're looking for? And in South Africa, the marketing strategy for side chicks as a right, as a proper, because as a side chicks, they like to expose themselves. Why, as a side chick, do you treat the main chick and treat? Don't don't treat those people. There must be a couple as far away if you want to play the game correctly. Awumazi, because I was once caught in a dilemma. I was dating this guy was dating this other girl, all straight, I'm so bored, antiseptic. Makhondo wanike antibiotic relationship ndalala. As a result, I feel so drowsy ngebenilin for flu, but I feel like dalibamba ucwangco kula relationship until the girl found out. I don't know how she found out. In fact, I don't know how she found out, but it's fine. I'm not gonna bust anyone. But I was so calm in that relationship. The girl came to ask me, Moshe, is it true? Oh, lango makaprendi. Is it true? But that came like, no, girl. It's my boy. Yeah, come on, boy, and now. Mind since I just mind the condo Lady Gaga, bad romance. It's fine. You don't enter anywhere. But all I hate is that from my fellow side chicks, you like things, girls. How do you, as a side chick, know and respect and stay in your lane? Because if you liked it, he would have put a ring on it. Would have is maybe, not that he had the intention to, but man, stop it, comrades zam. And everyone bakezeli side chicks. Akonto sifaneza sa storishwa as plan B on the phone, as long as we're getting the same vitamins, the same nutrients. And in the mind why side chick is because it's black and white. When you're with me, you're with me. When you're with her, you're with her. And when I'm by myself having fun, I can't just because at the end of the day, you've got that little package that's of yours back at home. So you can't ask me anything. But at the end of the day, you can't resist my what? My side chick bones, because I've got a side chick complexion. I've got a side chick underwear. I've got a side chick lingerie. I've got a side chick accent. It's fine. When like Natanus user underground, undercover as side chicks. But at the end of the day, I understand as a side chick how it feels to tweet the main girlfriend and be like, hey girl. And on Twitter, you know what, it's so funny, because you will tweet the main chick and be like, hey girl, Jane Ngokole. She doesn't know most about you're busy dabbling in her men's underwear, whether it be Truett's men underwear or identity underwear. I've never been with someone who's worn identity underwear. So don't undermine. I'm just saying, as a cause of reflection, and in fact, oops, oh my. So at the end of the day, Mandela umtweete umuntu by in fact atweete. In fact sihlalo hlobo sizi side chicks xa sine seminar yethu. In fact xa sine chumi zethu sihleli kuthiwa yo zibani bani sijonge bakutwitter sijonge phaa